Get the mic to Kuya. Yes. Hello. How are you, Jairus? You're good. But you have to sing louder, okay?
Yes.
Right? Don't be shy. Are you still shy? A little na.
Pinuntahan ko siya kanina sa sa table niya, sabi, nanginginig shivering daw yung kanyang body.
But you have to be confident, and also you have to sing louder. You know? Nakadali ako doon. Yung sabi ko sa'yo.
Is Jairus.
Jairus, okay? So, the judges will see you sing, ayun lang, inaubusan na naman tayo.
Yes. Basta galingan mo, Jairus.
Sinasabi ko sa'yo, konti lang yung bago naming English.
Yes, make your parents proud this afternoon.
Alright? So, you are going to sing louder, ha? Okay. Okay.
So, wag na natin patagalin pa. Ang
Let's-
ating ikasyam na semi-finalist, Jairus Parra. Thank you so
What
much!
a journey it has been.
Dahil dyan lang ang journey.
It has been... Ako na yung tuloy. Nasa dulo na naman siya. Thank you. How was it, Jairus? Ang cute ni Jairus. I'm sorry for the technical problem. But of course, nasa dulo na. Few lines na lang. But it's
Kasalanan ni
okay.
Princess to.
Si Princess kasi, magbabayad ka kasi Princess ng internet.
Yeah.
But how was it? How was your performance for you? You felt good now that you are done with your performance, right? Okay.
Thank you so much, Jairus.
Let's give it up for Jairus. Palakpakan naman po natin si Jairus. Oo nga.
Pang-artista si Jairus na po. Daddy.
Daddy, alam niyo na.
Star
Mami.
Circle
Si
Press.
Mami. At saka si Daddy.
Hindi, si Mami maganda
Okay.
din.
Kamukha ni Mami si Jairus. Si Daddy din pala, oh. Yun din.
Daddy, kumanta ka na.
Sino kumakanta sa inyo?
Wala.
Siya lang talaga.
Kapit-bahay nila.
Hala,
Doon na pala sa
Daddy.
kapit-bahay.
Charot lang. Oo.
Thank you so much, Jairus. We hope to see you in the next
You're so
round.
shy. Naku, cute.